This is the Cloud IDE with the sample application as it appears at the end of the tutorial. Let's see how to get started. First of all, you'll have to sign up for an account at Amazon Web Services if you don't already have one. As of this recording, running Cloud9 is free for a year, and even after that, the cost is negligible, literally pennies per month. Of course, I already have an account, so I'll just sign in. And then you can type here, Cloud9, or you can see recently visited here. You might get this little warning that says root login detected. This is a good thing to take care of eventually, but it's not important at the level of this tutorial. So here, now I'm going to create an environment. You can see Rails Tutorial 6. This is what I used to complete the Rails tutorial when I went through it for the latest release. But now let's create a new environment just to show how to do it. So you can say Rails tutorial here. You can say a Cloud IDE for the Ruby on Rails tutorial, and then you click on Next Step. Now this is important. As of this recording, Amazon Linux doesn't work with Rails. So we need to switch to Ubuntu server like this. And now we're ready to create the environment. And there we go. It's a fully functional development environment in the cloud. Here we have a file system navigator on the left. There's a text editor here in the middle. And then at the bottom, there's a fully functional Linux command line terminal. And now there's one extra bit of configuration to do, which is to set the number of spaces that's used when indenting. As you can see here, the default is 4. But the near universal convention in Ruby is to use 2. We can fix that by going up to the gear icon here and changing soft tabs from 4 to 2. And that's it. Now we're ready to go.